Bayberry, astringent, hormonal, stimulant, tonic. Excels in stopping profuse menstruation, especially when taken with cayenne. Helps stop painful menstrual cramps. Tones all the female organs. Strengthens the uterus during pregnancy. The tea makes an excellent douche. Helps with leukorrhea. Don't know what that is. Helps to get rid of toxic mucus and growths in the female tract. Used for hemorrhaging throughout the whole body. One of the few herbs used for hemorrhaging in the uterus. Use with cayenne. Caution. Hemorrhaging from the uterus needs to be treated at the hospital. Used as a gargle for sore throats and cankers, and as a wash for soft or bleeding gums. Used for sinus and adenoid problems. Eliminates catarrh throughout the whole body. I don't know what that is. Strengthens the whole body. Has been used in the following: acne, adenoids, bleeding, blood purifier, boils, bronchitis, cankers, carbuncles, chills, cholera, circulation, colds, colitis, colon, cramps, female, diarrhea, digestion, douche. The case history is interesting. I just read that. Dysentery, emetic, enemas, fevers, female organs, gangrene, gargle, glands, gums, bleeding, hemorrhages, indigestion, infection, jaundice, leukorrhea, liver, menstruation, miscarriage, mucus, poultice, ringworm, scarlet fever, sinus, stomach, throat, sore, thyroid, tissue toning, ulcers, uterus, uterine hemorrhage, vaginal discharge, varicose veins. S, a young woman, had started her menstrual cycle with an 11-day period. Highly unusual. The flow was almost to the point of hemorrhaging. In 2 months' time, she had only about 2 weeks that she was not flowing. Because of the young age of the girl, it was decided by the doctor and her parents to give a few months to see if she would straighten out by herself. During those months of straightening out, S and her family discovered bayberry. S was muscle tested with bayberry. She found she needed 6 capsules of bayberry a day during her period. She also took a female corrective formula all throughout the month. The heavy flow slowed to normal the first day, and her period lasted only 7 days. In a few months, S's periods were lasting 4 to 6 days of the 29-day cycle. After a few months, she was retested, and the amount of bayberry was decreased to 3 capsules a day during her period. Bee pollen, antibiotic, astringent, relaxant, stimulant, hormonal. Bee pollen, not an herb, has been called the miracle food or superfood. It is a complete, nutritionally balanced food. It contains vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, and all necessary amino acids and fatty acids. Vitamins include A, B, including folic acid and niacin, C, E, and K. Minerals include potassium, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, zinc, and silicone. Zinc and silicone, iron, copper, and trace minerals. Regulates and stimulates the human system because it supplies any missing elephants. Oh God. I don't know what all this activity is right now. Used for convalescence because it helps increase weight and energy. No need to take large amounts of bee pollen. 1 teaspoon or less a day is usually sufficient. Allergies. There are 2 types of pollen. Gymnophile, pollen that is blown in the air, or 2. Entomophile, pollen that is gathered by bees, which contains a small amount of gymnophile, air-carried pollen. Taking bee pollen by mouth has helped allergy sufferers to develop an immunity from pollen in the air. Caution. When taking pollen for this reason, it is important to start with very tiny amounts. Energy and endurance. Used by athletes for an endurance food with excellent results. Extremely nutritional. Amino acid content is a source of energy and increases strength and endurance. Has good effect on the heart. Helps oxygen reach the brain and all cells. Promotes rapid increase of blood hemoglobin to help alleviate anemia. Strengthens capillary walls. Contains lecithin, like a thickener or a binder, emulsifier. Lecithin. Zinc content helps in healing wounds and bruises. Coagulative properties help stop wound bleeding. Helps alleviate blood in urine. A diuretic stimulant and has a tranquilizing effect. Offsets effects of drugs, pollutants, and toxins. Regulates intestinal function. Good for skin. In cosmetic products. Has astringent effect. Normal hair growth can be reduced by a deficiency of amino acids. Bee pollen has these necessary amino acids. Has been used in the following. So basically everything. Allergies, anemia, antibiotic, appetite, asthma, astringent, athletic food, births, bleeding, blisters, blood pressure, blood, bowels, regulates, bruises, cancer inhibiting, capillary walls, cerebral hemorrhage, coagulation, convalescent food, cosmetic, debility, general, digestion, depression, diuretic, eczema, endurance, energy, food assimilation, growth, retarded psychosis, hair, hay fever, heart, hemoglobin, hemorrhoids, high blood pressure, immunity effect, infections, bacterial, intestinal disorders, liver problem, longevity, memory loss, pregnancy, prostate, psoriasis, relaxant, skin tranquilizer, uremia, vitality, and wounds. Black cohosh is a heavy hitter, so we'll come back for that. See you.